we are taking you back now into a time where you were happy and all other beings were happy also. Periods of time in Atlantis and Lemuria in which you all lived as one, in harmony with each other and with Mother Earth. These memories are universal. They are imprinted into your consciousness from these times gone by. And you will access these memories now in order to help you manifest the fifth dimensional reality which births right now. Close your eyes. Open your inner vision and see yourselves in a field of green, in a landscape of radiant beauty on your planet. The trees, the grass, the flowers and the creatures are similar to those now on your planet. But something feels different. In this reality spanning across time and space, you are immersed in a radiant, shimmering energy field. This living matrix is available and visible to you in all things. The air around you pulses with a golden white light. The sky, although blue, is a shifting, flowing field of energy that merges with the nature around you. The ground below you emanates this energy, breathing golden white frequency into the plants and flowers. And they in turn communicate with the insects, birds, and all living creatures. As you sit or walk in this magical land, you now notice that you are breathing the same golden white liquid light in and out of your body. You notice that your energy is a force field that interacts with all other aspects of life. Through the living matrix which connects all things. There is no empty space between yourself and another being. Rather, you have the experience of being connected with everything through the prana of the creative source. There are certain beings walking by you who are less solid than others. They seem to slip in and out of the physical dimension at will. And you know that you too have the ability to become pure light. As you pass by animals, people, trees, you notice that they are sending you messages, thought forms, and you smile back at them, practicing telepathy now in the form of simple thoughts of love. Greetings of love, acknowledgement of mutual respect, like a telepathic namaste. This makes you feel a great trust, a letting go of fear, as you realize that you can discern instantly how much light any being is holding. You can discern a high vibration from a medium. This means that you cannot be deceived, and that you also cannot deceive another, as your vibration is recognizable to all others also. Look now with the eyes of a child at every single detail in nature. Discover anew the delicate lattice work of veins in every leaf on every tree. Notice the play of light and shadow beneath each tree. Feel the hum of the great Mother Earth beneath your feet. As you stop and listen, you begin to hear her heart beat. How can it be that you have not heard this before? The deep, loving song of the Great Mother. Kneeling on the earth now, hands touching her soil, you open your heart in love and gratitude to her, pledging your allegiance to her and your tribe above all else, above all your earthly concerns that seemed so pressing only moments before. You find yourself now surrounded by many hundreds of light beings. Some human, some animal, some star people, that are now able to show themselves to you because of the high frequency you are holding. They welcome you to the fifth dimension, and you remember them now from a lifetime that has surfaced in your dreams from time to time. A lifetime in the golden age of Atlantis. All of these light beings were present already, but were invisible to you until your heart was opened into unconditional love for all beings on Gaia. Your friends say farewell now, as you come back into this time and space on Earth, back into your body, taking a deep breath, feeling yourself in your body right here, right now, once more. You may return to the fifth dimensional reality at any time of day or night, dear ones. You are in the transition, and all that is needed is for you to learn to be more conscious in every moment. Conscious that you are more than flesh and blood. Remembering that you are a being of light, just as we, the star people who assist you, are made of light. Your process of awakening is simply a remembering that all of life is connected through the matrix of light. Remembering that you have chosen to be on Earth right now in order to assist others to remember these things also. Practice these Atlantean and Lemurian skills, dear ones. Rather than waiting for a shift of consciousness to happen to you, simply choose to shift now. Experiencing yourself as part of the matrix of light of which all is created. Remembering the experience of oneness. And so it is. The time is now. Namaste.